Hi everyone, I just want to run through how I can make a quick homemade mask. Now I just want to point out that this isn't an official NHS mask or anything like that. It's literally just one that's homemade that might help if you can't get hold of any mask, medical mask. So this is my first time doing a video, so bear with me. Right, I've got a piece of material here and it's just a scrap of cotton material that we had left over, and what I've done is cut around the edges with pinking shears. So if you haven't got pinking shears, you could just do a zigzag stitch all around the edge. The size of the material, it's 40 centimeters by 20 centimeters. That's just to make it easier. If you don't have a piece of material this big, you could use two 20 by 20s. Okay, the reason why I've just done a bigger piece is so that I can actually fold it in half and it's going to be lined. But obviously you have to work with what you've got. Now I've folded it in half lengthways, and now I'm going to fold it right side to right side, like so. And then I'm going to sew around the other three sides, leaving a gap at the end here so that we can turn it the right way out. Okay, so I'm going to do that in a minute. When you've turned your fabric so that it's right way out, give it a quick iron to flatten it. Next we need to create our folds, so literally fold down the top edge of your material and back again on itself so that it creates a pleat in the fabric. Then you just need to pin it in place and do the same again. I'm going to create 3 folds. So pin it on both sides. Now I'm putting my pins at right angles to my fabric, just so that when we come to sew it, it will be easy to remove the pins. So that's my first one in. You can see that. Then I'm going to do 2 more. And pin it. And pin on the other side again. And the final one. This part is the most fiddly. Okay, so what the folds do is allows it to fit around your face so that it will be more snug rather than just being flat on your mouth. Okay, so there's the 3. Now it's probably a good idea to give it a press. Okay, now I'm just going to sew a straight line down to hold my pleats in place on either side. Remember to take out the pins as you go. So I'll start with a reverse stitch and then go forward. That's my first one. And my second one. So there we have it with our pleats in place. Now I mentioned to you about using one of these bank ties. We're going to use this to be at the top of our mask so that it can be pushed over the nose to seal around the nose. And what we're going to do is use a zigzag stitch. So I've set the machine to zigzag, and now we're going to do a zigzag stitch over the piece of wire. Okay, so line up your material and wire so that the wire is exactly in the middle, and then you can begin. So you can see that's now in place at the top of the mask. Okay, so now I have my little turning hole here in the corner that I need to sew. So I'm just going to tuck in the edges here, a little bit fiddly, just to neaten it off. Now I'm using white thread so that you can see, but obviously if you use dark thread then it will be hidden. So I'm just going to tuck that in. Do a little stitch close to the edge. Right, now we just need to attach our elastic. So I'm just sewing this on the inside. And I've gone forward and backwards to get a really secure fit against the mask so that it won't get pulled off easily. And then we're going to secure the other side. Excuse me. ready with our elastic. And here we have our finished mask. So we have the outside, and then we have the pleats so that it can fit around the face. Like so. And you can squeeze the part over your nose. Okay. Hope that's helped. And if you have any questions, send us a message at chitterchattercraft@gmail.com.